In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize charts on TradeLocker with GatesFX. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to create an account over here inside GatesFX for your TradeLocker. And when you do that, you want to go to demo.tradelocker.com, and then you'll be able to basically sign into your account with your password, your email, and then your server as well. Now, if you opened a live account, you want to go to live.tradelocker.com, and the same procedure will apply. Now, when you are on here inside the TradeLocker, sign in with your GatesFX account. To actually customize the chart, you have a bunch of different options. Now, the first thing you can do is on here on the chart, you could full screen like this, so you can basically see only the chart and no other instructions. And then here, you can just go ahead and click on the indicators, add on the indicators. Here, you can select how you want the chart to look like. You could go ahead and save different templates. You could draw over them here with this drawing panel on the left-hand side. And then the main things will happen when you actually right-click on the chart and click on settings. And here is where you can actually pretty much just change anything you would like. Okay, so you could change the symbols, the colors, the status lines, scales and lines here, the canvas. You could change anything you wanted here. And you could also go to the settings down bottom right, where you could go ahead and basically enable some additional options. Okay, so that's how to customize charts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.